If you've been looking for ways to make money online from home, you've probably come across Remotasks. Because honestly, it's one of the most well-known platforms for completing online tasks and data-related projects. But many beginners have no idea where to start. So in this video, I'll show you how to work on Remotasks in 2026 step by step, including how to create an account, find tasks, and start earning. First, what is Remotasks? Remotasks is an online platform where users can complete digital tasks for companies and AI projects. Depending on availability, tasks may include data annotation, image labeling, AI training tasks, text evaluation, and other online microtasks. The type of work available can vary based on your region and qualifications. Now let's get started. First, visit the official Remotasks website and create an account. You'll typically need an email address, basic profile information, and account verification. Once your account is created, you'll be able to access the dashboard. Now, here's something very important: training, because many projects require training before you can start working. Remotasks often provides learning modules that teach you task requirements, quality standards, and project rules, and honestly, paying attention during training is extremely important because better accuracy can lead to more opportunities. Now let's talk about assessments, because some projects require qualification tests. These tests help determine whether you're ready for specific tasks. Don't rush through them. Take your time, read instructions carefully, and focus on accuracy. Now let's talk about finding work, because task availability changes constantly. When projects are available, they'll usually appear in your dashboard. Different projects may have different requirements, difficulty levels, and earning potential. And honestly, the amount of available work can vary over time. Now, another important tip: quality matters, because platforms like Remotasks often review submitted work. If your work consistently meets quality standards, you may gain access to additional projects. And honestly, accuracy is often more important than speed, especially when you're new. Now, let's talk about payments, because this is one of the most common questions beginners ask. Payment methods and schedules may vary depending on your region and the platform's current policies. Always review the official payment information inside your account before starting work. Now, another useful tip: check the platform regularly, because new projects can appear at different times. Many experienced users log in frequently to see whether new opportunities have become available. Now, something very important: be cautious of people claiming they can guarantee high earnings from Remotasks, because honestly, high earnings depend on project availability, qualifications, quality of work, and time invested. There is no guaranteed income amount, and anyone promising easy money should be viewed carefully. Now, let's be honest for a second. Remotasks isn't a get-rich-quick system. For some people, it can be a way to earn money online while learning skills related to AI and data projects. The key is being patient, following instructions carefully, and maintaining good quality work. So to wrap this up, if you want to start working on Remotasks in 2026, create an account, complete the training pass, any required assessments, check for available projects, focus on accuracy, and stay consistent. Because honestly, the users who succeed on these platforms are usually the ones who follow instructions carefully and deliver high-quality work.